Hi guys, this recipe is on how I make French toast. I'm not sure if this is the correct way, but this is how it's been made in my house for years. So I've taken 2 eggs, I've added some milk. I'll write the proper measurements in the description. I've used about a teaspoon of cinnamon powder and some granulated sugar. You can also use condensed milk. Whisk it well with a fork and keep the mixture aside. Use a frying pan or a white pan if you have. Keep it on heat. I have melted some butter. This is normal Amul butter here. And next, what I'm going to do is dip the bread in the mixture that we made. Say only for a second or two so that it soaks the milk and egg. And then you place it on the pan. Cook two at a time if your pan is big enough. Just wait until you get the aroma of the caramelized cinnamon and sugar, and then you turn it. Here I've used a normal white sliced bread, but actually French toast is made with a thicker bread which is not easily available, so this is a better option. I've taken some more butter for my batch too, and I'm going to follow the same process. Dip my bread and place it on the pan. This won't turn crispy, okay? It'll be soggy, but you need to have that burnt look to know that it's done. I find the burnt taste complements better with the cinnamon and sugar. Here is a beautiful slow motion where I'm pouring condensed milk on my French toast. You don't necessarily need to do this, but my husband likes it sweet, so I just decorated it with some condensed milk. And that's it. Your simple breakfast is ready to be served. You can drizzle it with some maple syrup, honey, whatever you have, or you can just eat it plain when it's hot. This is best served with whipped cream. That is how I had at a restaurant and I fell in love, but I didn't have anything handy. Also, in the mixture that you make, you can add about a drop of vanilla essence. It'll just give that aroma, when it cooks. So anyway, try this recipe. Let me know what you think. Subscribe to my channel, like, share, comment, follow me on Instagram at experimental recipes, and bye.